How to fix this app is not available for your country on Android Play Store. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you can do is make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection. Next, what you can do is just go to the Play Store application and download the VPN applications over here. You can download any of the VPN. Here I have selected on Turbo VPN. As you can see, I've already downloaded the application, so all you have to do is just tap on open and lead to the settings of your device. As you tap on settings of your device, you just have to go to your connection and sharing and then tap on VPN and toggle on this VPN option over here. Now as you toggle on the VPN, you just have to enter your username, password and login credentials, and you will be able to toggle on the VPN and select the country where the particular app will be available in the Android Play Store. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.